how to pay with Nectar Point on Argos. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pay with Nectar Point on Argos. So in order to do this, first of all, you need to link your account. So for that, log into your Argos account, and once you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. And right on this page, you need to go to the account section from the top right hand side corner. Then it's going to direct you to the other where you need to scroll a bit and head over to payment section. So that's going to be indicated on the way as ways to pay, which is located right at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on the link, and that's going to take you to this page. So here you need to go ahead and tap on link your Nectar account. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then it's going to direct you to the other field where you need to go ahead and enter in the information. And once you're done linking the following information, then what you'll have to do is, or how you can actually use it as, you can use it in a shopping store. So you'll have your Nectar card with you at the till, and you can visit any of the Argos store, and then you can pay it with the following card. That's basically how you can pay with Nectar Points. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.